As I mentioned in the previous video, one of the tools you need to take this course would be an FTP account. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to create an FTP account for your WordPress website. Now, if you already have an FTP account, then by all means, you can skip this video and move on to the very next one. If you don't, then let me show you how to create an FTP account. Now, I'm going to assume that you do have a web hosting company. I host with SiteGround. So if you're hosting with SiteGround or you're hosting with GoDaddy or Bluehost or whatever hosting company you have, there should be a cPanel where you can have access to certain tools like the ability to create an FTP account. So I'm with SiteGround, and what I'm going to do here is I've logged into my cPanel. I'm going to scroll all the way down here where I have files, and I'm going to click on FTP accounts. Now, again, if you are hosting with a different company, where you would create an FTP account might be under a different section. What you can do is to simply contact your web hosting company and let them help you. All right. So over here, I'm just going to go ahead and create the account. It's very simple. For my login, I'm just going to, as an example, I'll say Weber@taskopedia.com. Now, the reason why you see taskopedia.com filled out here already is because taskopedia.com is a domain I own, and it is the primary domain associated with my SiteGround account. So I'm going to go ahead and simply add my password, and make sure your password is a very strong one because your FTP account is going to be very powerful. Now over here where we have the directory, I'm going to go ahead and delete Weber, and I'll just leave it at the public HTML. And that's because I want this FTP account to have access to all my domains and all the files and folders in those domains. So I'm just going to go ahead now and click on create FTP account. And there you go. That's how to create your FTP account. Very, very straightforward. Now, if I scroll all the way down here on the list of FTP accounts, I will see Weber@taskopedia.com. I can click on configure FTP client. And in here is where I have my credentials. I have the username, the server, and then the port number. So join me in the very next video where I'll show you how to connect your FTP account with a very powerful text editor known as Notepad++.